In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get instant 20% discount on Pictory.ai. So first things, I already log in on Pictory.ai. So if you have not link, just go to my video description and click, and you are redirected to this website. So you need to log in here. So after login, you need to click on this profile option. Now again, click on my subscription. Now you can choose any of plans. So I choose this number two option, professional, best value for money, this one. So you can see currently price 348 US dollar. So now you need to click on apply coupon. Now here are type KUOQK. I again repeat KUOQK. Now click on apply. Then it's already 70 US dollar discount. It is amazing. Now total price are 278 US dollar. Now you need to click on complete purchase. That's it. So this is a method how you can get instant 20% discount on Pictory.ai. So if you have found this video helpful for me, like and subscribe the channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.